Greetings from Dr. Sangeeta Agrawal. I am a gynecologist practicing in South Mumbai and I am affiliated to various hospitals for inpatient care, and I have my clinic in Prabhadevi. Today I will discuss the home pregnancy test. In my previous videos I have discussed how to do, what is the logic and how to interpret. Today I will discuss a very special situation. It is quite common for women to come to us for a termination, and many a times when they are less than 7 weeks, we are giving tablets for termination. Once the tablets are swallowed, the patient has bleeding, and over a period of 7 to 10 days, the pregnancy is terminated. Now, obviously, the women are very worried and would like to know that the tablets have worked and the pregnancy has been terminated. And one of the simplest things to do would be to do a home pregnancy test to ensure that it is now negative. Women do panic and therefore they like to do the test within a few days of taking the tablets. Well, please note, it does not work like that. Your body has very high levels of the pregnancy hormone, which is beta-HCG. By taking the tablets, you have terminated the pregnancy and it has got expelled in the menstrual blood. But it is not possible for the body to filter all the hormone out within the same few number of days. So, the process of filtering the hormone out of your system will happen over a period of time, and therefore we tell you to do the pregnancy test only after 3 weeks of having taken the tablet. It is fairly possible that in spite of the tablets being successful and in spite of the pregnancy being terminated, the test may be positive if you do it within 10 to 15 days of taking the tablets. So please rest assured and do the home pregnancy test only after 21 days. By the 15th day of having taken the tablets, it is better to do a sonography to ensure that the cavity is empty. Now, just in case your test is positive after 21 days, do not panic. I am sure the doctor will advise you to then do a blood pregnancy test and report to her with the reports so that you can then take the further necessary action. I hope this video helps. Thank you.